Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to add home button on iPhone screen. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open the settings app. Scroll down, locate and click on accessibility. Then scroll down the accessibility page, locate and click on touch. Then locate assistive touch and click on it. Turn on assistive touch. Then you need to customize the home button. What you want to do here is come to custom action and click on single tap. Then under system, scroll down and click on home. Now go back. Position this where you want to put your home button. Now whenever you are on any web page or on any application and you want to return back to the home screen, just go ahead and tap the icon once and you'll be able to return back to the home screen. This works on any application or any website on your iPhone. So you see that? And then you are good. So that's exactly how to add home button on iPhone screen. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.